You know that feeling when you're trying to change a habit or chase a goal, but something keeps pulling you back. It's frustrating. But what if those thoughts holding you back aren't facts? They're just instructions your mind has been following for years. Your mind is practical. It listens to your words and responds to the pictures you create. Take Tina. She could lose weight but would always gain it back. Her mind learned bigger meant safer. A thought, repeated with enough emotion, becomes a blueprint. Your mind doesn't ask if it still fits your life today. So listen to the phrases you use. I'm so tired. I'm unlucky with money. These words sound harmless, but they keep teaching your mind the old pattern. Reframe them. Instead of I'm drained, try I need rest and a calmer evening. Your mind also responds to the pictures you show it. If you tell yourself not to think about something, you have to picture it first. So, create a vivid picture of what you do want instead. Make it strong enough to hold your attention. Another thing that keeps us stuck is conflicting thoughts. You want success, but you fear it will cost you your friendships. One part reaches forward, the other pulls back. That's a split instruction. Write down what you want, and then what you fear would happen if you got it. Once your mixed feelings are visible, you can choose one clear direction and repeat it until it becomes familiar. We also return to what feels familiar, even if it hurts. Claire felt uncomfortable with a kind partner because poor treatment was her normal. Train your mind to find new things familiar. Notice the resistance. That's where the old pattern still has power. A new habit may feel awkward for about a month. That's not a sign to stop, it's just your mind adjusting. Ask yourself, is this habit protecting my future or just repeating my past? When logic and emotion collide, emotion usually wins. You can know you're successful but still feel like you're not good enough. That's old emotional learning. Speak to your need directly. Tell yourself you matter and you are enough. Finally, consider the stories you're living by. Before Roger Bannister, a 4-minute mile was considered impossible. Then he did it, and suddenly others could picture it too. The imagined limit had changed. Ask yourself what story you've been living inside. Where did it come from? You are allowed to update the meaning of your past and write a better one. Old patterns are just learned instructions. They can be noticed, questioned, and replaced. You're not fighting yourself anymore. You're just teaching your mind a new direction to follow.